Adding audio and video. The HTML5 audio and video tags allow us to add media to our website. To add media, we are required to set src attribute to identify the media source and include the controls attribute so the user can play and pause the media whenever required. Adding audio. We use audio tag to embed sound content in an HTML document. Adding video. We use video tag to embed video in an HTML document. The web browser displays the video and starts playing it. In some browsers, you need to click on the play button to start the video. The audio and video tags might not work in some browsers that do not support HTML5 and the file formats. WAV, MP3 and OGG are the file formats currently supported to embed audio. MP4, WebM and OGG are the file formats currently supported to embed video.